Information. It overwhelms as much as it empowers. Faxes, CADs, electronic documents, graphics, images, printed reports. Lava is the world's only information management solution that does it all. Lava delivers document management, imaging, and workflow in one fully integrated application, uniting the entire enterprise by document enabling your current business applications. From financial services to insurance to healthcare to manufacturing. Any business where access to information is critical to success, Lava delivers what you need to know now. Who better to tell you about Lava than the people who use it every day? People in leading-edge companies like Radian International.
Our core competencies are in the pollution control and environmental engineering areas. We have about 2,500 employees worldwide, and we did about $300 million in gross revenues last year. We are taking a much more integrated view to re-engineer our workflow processes, linking the front office and the back office. We process approximately 15,000 transactions a month. Many of those transactions are touched by 4 or 5 or 6 different individuals.
We use Lava so that our billing clerks will be able to bill our customers in a timely basis and get our revenue back. A copy of the check and the backup that was used to process that check is sent into the scanning department. Then they're immediately available for use by the accounts receivable or any other department that might want to use them. The previous method was using microfilm and microfiche.
When we did invoices, we would have backup people pull backup from the microfilm, which took forever, and they would have to go in and look up each individual item and pull it.
If I needed just one document to prepare the invoice, I would have to wait maybe a week. The microfiche was blurry at times, or sometimes you couldn't even read it.
Elaine, do you have that document yet?
Not yet.
Okay, thanks.
Every time there's a questionable area of a document, you have to go to the warehouse to find the original to see it. Now we never have to go to the warehouse.
The Lava system is very user-friendly. It leads you through step-by-step of what you're looking for. And as I'm doing the invoice, if it does require backup, we can go in right away and look at it, put it with the invoice, and it's ready to go.
Now I can just do it, and it saves a lot of time in my day, and I can do other things that are more productive.
We are taking a systematic view of productivity increases. Overall, we believe that we will achieve a reduction of about 1/3 of our processing costs.
From New York to Tokyo to London, knowledge workers in financial markets need up-to-date information. William Bonner Davies is an investment broker with the London firm NCL Investments.
I need access to up-to-date information, files, tax reports, correspondence from clients, probate valuations, statistical analysis. Time is critical. We looked at a large number of different systems, and we looked at them in great depth. The problem was, when you really got down and you looked at these systems, that they couldn't integrate your PC-produced document and your scanned document. Lava is a completely seamless system which allows you to access both types of document on the screen at the same time.
William Bonner Davis. Charles, yes, good afternoon.
In the past, a client would telephone me and ask a specific question about some event which had occurred 18 months ago, or even 5 years ago, and I would have to say, I'll telephone you back. I would get the file either by running upstairs, or I would have to get a motorcycle messenger to deliver the 5-year-old file to my office. Today, I use Lava.
No, there's no need to ring back at all. I've got it here. It'll take a couple of seconds to get it up on the screen.
By accessing statistical analysis done in Excel, a newspaper clipping, and a letter written in Word, William Bonner Davies quickly responds to inquiries, and his clients go away satisfied.
No problem. If you need any more information, give me a call. I've got it right to hand. Okay, thanks. Bye. Date is...
I also visit a large number of my clients in their home, and we have a £6,000 capital gains tax allowance. Before I used Lava, I would have to take large files. Today, I connect the laptop to a telephone socket via a modem and dial up the server at work, and I can access their files.
Which is £1,800 liability at the present time.
Lava has made an enormous difference to the way I work.
Lava makes a difference for knowledge workers everywhere. From the stone canyons of London's financial district to the pine forests of North America. Abitibi Price is one of the world's largest newsprint companies, with mills across the United States and Canada.
Fort William is our first mill that we're implementing, but we will be rolling out Lava across our other 7 mill locations. Lava's business application enabler gives us the ability to re-engineer our business flow. We wanted to integrate J.D. Edwards with workflow, document management, and imaging. One of the key success factors in running a mill is plant and equipment efficiency. These machines have to be running full out. Objectives are 98% efficiency. If we have to shut down a paper machine, it's thousands of dollars as the minutes tick by. So when a work order request comes in, you want to be able to work on that part immediately. What we wanted to do was give them a complete turnkey solution where they didn't have to get up from their desk, look through filing cabinets.
It's estimated that at least 2 hours to 40% of a tradesman's time is lost looking for the information required to do a job.
We have massive maintenance manuals. Keeping those hard copy manuals up to date is very difficult. By installing them in Lava, the guys have access to the manuals online. They'll receive a work order from J.D. Edwards. They in turn need to be able to pull up an AutoCAD document.
We have a very good group of tradespeople right now. The only thing is that to manage them properly is not to make them work harder, it's to make them work smarter.
Surviving in today's global economy requires fast response to changing market trends. With domestic and overseas operations, Tetra manufactures a wide range of products for the aquarium.
We needed a document management system. Tetra is registering for ISO 9000, and it's very important to keep an audit trail of your documents.
We had a fear that an auditor would come in, see all this stuff, start to doubt our control system, and smell blood.
Whenever a revision is made, we need to get the information to everyone as quick as possible. QC needs to know how to check the products, manufacturing needs to know how to put the products together, procurement needs to know which are the latest components to purchase, and that's where Lava comes in for us.
Lava had already integrated all the packages that we were interested in: imaging, document management, workflow. You don't want to have 4 or 5 vendors every time a problem occurs, where everybody's pointing fingers. Oh, it's not us, it's them. You just don't want to be bothered. With the workflow, what we're able to do is, say we've modified a part. QC procedures have to be written. So what they do is they'll create a document, pop it into the workflow, send it out to all parties responsible for this product so they can look at the procedure. Put a flag on it so that for 7 days it'll sit in your inbox. You don't look at it, it comes back to me, and measures can be taken.
I just got the parts in, Eileen. They just came in.
They're looking good?
Yeah, they don't look too bad.
We had been waiting for first piece after a revision.
You got it up in Lava?
Got the drawing up on the screen.
Okay, hold on. I'm pulling it up too.
Even though he held the part, we weren't shooting in the dark and trying desperately to make the other guy understand. We both knew what was going on. Jonas, I'm mainly concerned about that inner diameter, the critical dimension. Last time we had it restricted by flash.
No flash whatsoever. Dimensions look good.
You don't have to be a super user on the computer to know how to use it. You don't have to have months of training. We did training sessions for 40 people in 2 days. Using Lava, it's all right in front of you. It's very, very intuitive. We can exchange files in a breath. The wide area network becomes increasingly important when you're scattered throughout the country. The other person can actually be looking at the same file at the same time. So before it becomes a piece of production, everybody's looked at it in Lava. We wanted the workflow. We wanted to be able to have email integrated with it. We wanted to be able to print. We wanted to be able to mix document types in there and not have it run by MIS. Lava's doing everything we needed to do.
Lava is the world's most comprehensive information management solution. With more than 7 years of research and development, hundreds of installations worldwide, dramatic productivity gains, and a proven training and implementation program to guarantee your success. Lava delivers document management, imaging, and workflow in one fully integrated application, uniting the entire enterprise by document enabling your current business applications. Lava delivers what you need to know now.